welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making, can you guess? It's slime time! Today we will be working with Elmer's glue, shaving cream, baking soda, contact solution, paint, and water. Tortillas. Tortillas.
You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Well, let's get started.
Whoa, wow.
There was a hair in here. Whose is that?
Not mine.
Uh-huh.
Mine is a monster. No. My sleeve's coming down. I'm seriously going to have a slime shirt.
Yes. Look at
That's so cool.
it. Looks like I have a spider web. Look at it.
Our new spider girl. No, said our new spider girl.
Let me see.
Captured
Oh my
herself
goodness.
and put her.
Let me see. Oh, I think I'm making it worse. Am I making it worse? Oh, okay. Let's add a
There's a
little.
little bit right there. I made it worse.
So,
Come on.
let's add some more of this. And I can't even get it off right now. Let me see.
I think I just it.
Is it all? My glasses, my glasses. This is my technique. See, look. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, we're doing the same thing. You were just in the bowl. Okay.
Oh no! Into the bowl. Wait, shh. Answer right.
Cool. Let's put some paint now.
and this. Just kidding. I'm not gonna add it like that.
Oh, I was connected.
Oh no! I have a little bit of your color in mine. Now you have a little bit of color in mine. Yours.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a slime. So this is mine, this is my mom, and comment down below whose you like the best.
Are you mixing ours together now?
Yeah.
So that's going to be the baby slime?
Yeah. Mama, Dada, and baby.